Hello, it's Mr. Smith again. We're going to do a profit equals revenue minus expense problem. I actually kind of like these problems because I used to actually sell door to door, and I would have to purchase boxes of merchandise and then sell the merchandise, but I had to sell it at a price where I could make a profit. So I used to actually have to do this. But anyway, we're going to read through the problem and then we'll go ahead and solve it. So it says Tommy purchases boxes of Beats Solo 2 wireless from a distributor. So this is it here, just in case you didn't know. This is basically some headphones that have really good quality sound. Um, each box of Solo 2 wireless costs $720. Each of those boxes contains 6 Solo 2 wireless headphones. And then it says, how much does Tommy need to charge per Solo 2 wireless headphone to make a profit of $420 per box? So in this problem, it is a profit equals revenue minus expense problem. So we're going to pull out those numbers to create our equation. The easiest thing to always pull out is a profit, because usually it's clearly identified. So like right here it says profit. So I know my profit is going to be $420. Another thing that is usually easy to pick out next is our expense. And our expense is just another word for cost. So when I look at this, I see my cost is $720. So I'm going to put 720. It's very important that we keep the sign, some minus. And then our revenue, if you notice, if you look back at our word problem, we only have one number left, which is 6. So our revenue is going to be 6x. And x is going to represent what we're going to charge for each of those 6 headphones that are in the box. And that's our equation. So all we have to do is solve it now. So I'm going to add 720 on both sides. Because we're solving for x, 720 is the furthest thing away. This is subtraction, so we're going to add. I'm going to bring down my line. We have our equals. We have bring down our 6x. Negative 720 plus 720 is 0, so we don't have to bring it down. And then we have 420 plus 720, so we have 0. We have 4, 7, 11. So we have 1,140. And then all we have to do is divide everything by 6. We have to do some longhand division, so I'm going to just work it out here on the side. So we have 1140 divided by 6. 6 can only go into 11 one time, so we subtract that, we get 54. 6 times 9 is 54. We get 0. We have to bring down this 0, and 6 goes into 0 times, so we get $190 is equal to x. So we know Tommy should charge $190 per headphone. And that, of course, box it, circle it, highlight it, whatever you want. And that's what we need to answer our question. And as always, if you watched any of my other videos, I always like to go back and read the question. How much does Tommy need to charge per Solo 2 wireless headphone to make a profit of $420 per box? Tommy should charge $190 per headphone. The statement is always better than just the x equals, especially when you're dealing with word problems. Again, if you still have a couple questions, a little unsure, you can always turn to video 2. Again, I hope this helped.